Hi everyone, it's Charlotte and I'm really excited to announce a very unique Soko Glam collaboration that has just launched on Soko Glam. Meet the Neogen Real Vita C Powder Lemon! Yay! You guys know how much we love vitamin C here at Soko Glam because it's so effective. So we decided to collaborate with Neogen to create a really effective solution for all skin types using vitamin C. And for those oily and sensitive skin types, you're gonna love this product. If you're new to Neogen, they're known for their really innovative, high-performance, cruelty-free formulas. Many of you guys know that at Soko Glam, we're obsessed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is also known as L-ascorbic acid, also known as pure vitamin C, and it's a very, very powerful antioxidant and it's a very well-studied ingredient. Vitamin C is so popular, it was actually one of the most Google search terms for skincare ingredients in 2017. So vitamin C, what does it really do? Well, it fades acne scars, it evens out skin tone, and it also fades away hyperpigmentation, something I deal with all the time because I have hormonal acne on my chin, and it leaves these unsightly brown spots on my skin, but vitamin C helps clear that away. So why did we decide to help create the Vita C Powder Lemon? When it comes to vitamin C in its pure form and liquid form, it tends to oxidize over time when it's exposed to light, air, and heat. During the oxidation process, ascorbic acid turns into another chemical, a dehydroascorbic acid. So that means your formula will turn dark yellow, light yellow, sometimes brown or red. So we saw a need to solve a problem with the existing vitamin C products out there. We wanted to create a product that would actually have a longer shelf life and supercharge the products you already have in your skincare routine. So what is a Neogen Real Vita C Powder? The Neogen Real Vita C Powder is a powder form of vitamin C that you can incorporate into your favorite liquidy skincare products. This has 17% pure vitamin C, which will really help brighten your skin complexion, revitalize dull and tired skin. It also helps even out your skin tone. As I mentioned earlier, pigmentation from acne scars, it's gonna help clear that away. And on top of the pure vitamin C that will help brighten your skin, it also has other key skincare ingredients that I absolutely love. Panthenol, which will soothe and hydrate your skin. Allantoin, which will help protect your skin barrier. Also contains hydrolyzed collagen, which will really help with skin elasticity. After cleansing, apply a generous amount of toner, essence, or serum into the palm of your hand. And remember, using a product that has a watery consistency works best for this product. Then apply 1 scoop of the powder into the palm of your hand, mixing the two products together. Remember, if it's grainy, then you might need to add a little bit more of the watery skincare product. After you mix the two formulas together and allow the powder to dissolve thoroughly, then you can pat into your skin and continue the rest of your skincare routine. You could use this product in the morning or at night, but if you use it in the morning, remember to coat and protect your skin with sunscreen because your skin can be sensitized with the pure vitamin C, so you want to always make sure you have sunscreen at the last step of your routine. Just a tip, we recommend using this product at most 3 times a week. It's a pretty powerful product, so you want to make sure that you incorporate it slowly into your routine and you don't use it more than 3 times a week. Also, I love how this formula is safe and effective. It's also free of parabens, alcohol, silicones, and artificial fragrances. I love this DIY aspect of it. I love mixing it with my favorite skincare products, the Misha First Treatment Essence, the Neogen Micro Essence, the Clara Supple Preparation Toner, and the Sun & Park Beauty Water. Lastly, the stability is awesome. This lasts a very long time. You don't ever have to worry about it oxidizing. It doesn't get impacted by light, air, or heat. As you can see, I'm super excited about this new product we've created with Neogen. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. Please drop a comment below and let us know what you think, and I can't wait to see the reviews rolling in. All right, thanks guys. Bye.